Hey guys, it's Laura here from Little House Big Alaska, and I have gotten a couple of emails about how do you use a jerky gun and how do you make jerky out of ground beef jerky. It's super duper easy, and here's why: because you use what they call a jerky gun. Essentially, it looks like a cookie press, except it's made for extruding ground beef. So this is the trigger, you see, so you pull this back, that's the plunger, and then as you're extruding, it's pushing, and it goes down the barrel and makes jerky out this end using this tip. So I'll show you how to load it, we'll lay a couple lines, and then you can check out my ground beef jerky recipe if you're interested. Right now, I have a small batch of marinated meat that I've mixed up because I'm doing a little recipe testing. Usually I do a bowl with 3 pounds and it's a lot fuller, but I don't want to do 3 pounds if it's going to be a disgusting mess that I don't want to eat a lot of. So recipe testing is like that. So you put this together. First you put the extruder tube on, or the tip on the tube, and then you put it in like that. And you want to leave this a little bit loose because you're going to want it to be the same direction as your trigger. So you might need to adjust that. Get that. And then you just twist that a little bit. For me, it just makes a lot of sense to lay it out like this. You obviously could do it like this, but this is just my preferred method. And then this goes down when you're pushing the ground beef out, and then to get it back out of the barrel, you just push this button back and open it, and it's ready. And so if it was just me making jerky alone, I'd definitely be digging in with my hands, but since it's a video, I want to be touching my camera, so I'm not going to dig in with my hands. So you just stuff this in. I'm going to use a spoon. You stick this in like that, pack it all the way in. You want to get any air bubbles out because that'll cause your jerky to kind of come out with a pop and make a funny shape of jerky strip. And obviously, you know, you can make these jerkies, you know, if there's a pop or, you know, an air bubble in there, it's not going to make a difference in how your jerky comes out. It just, you know, looks better on the tray, to me personally. So there's your loaded jerky gun. You can see, we'll go like that. There, it's starting to come out. So then it's just, there's one. And this is a little bit of a juicier recipe. And there we go. That is how you extrude jerky from your jerky gun. And then you just, when it's empty and you've gotten all of your jerky out, you just press that button, pull your plunger back, twist, and fill the tube. Super duper simple. Check out my jerky recipe at Little House Big Alaska. Go to the search bar and just type in jerky. Probably one of my best searched recipes is ground beef jerky. It's fabulous, it's frugal, my kids love it, everyone eats it, and it's just perfect for me. No preservatives, nothing in it, so you do have to store it in the freezer or in the fridge, but you can't leave it on the shelf. And you could freeze it in snack bags, you can freeze it a lot of different ways, just whatever works for your family. Just don't leave it in your pantry or on the shelf. Have a great day.